Lesson 16, we have the word ba. We insert ba in the sentence when we are going to convert a statement into a question. And we don't use them both in a statement. So when we use ba, okay, it means in English, do you, are you, is it, without the question word, WH, question word. Example, we have here, meron bang mababaw na ilog diyan? Shallow river, of course, this is not a river. So, you notice the ba here is placed as a second word in the sentence and ng here is the connector. Masipag ba si Venice? So, when we say, okay, we have here adjective ba and si Venice because Venice here is singular, personal name. That's why we have si. Mabait ba si Via? Okay, so easy to create or build, construct simple sentences in Filipino. Malakas ba sina Joanne and Stacy? We have here the word sina because there is more than one personal name in the sentence. So, you can say, malakas ba sina Joanne at Stacy or and Stacy? Another, meron bang maraming palay diyan? So, marami, you notice, remember the word marami, just like maraming salamat, it refers to the quantity of nouns. So, you say a lot of or plenty of rice. So, we have palay here. It refers to the uncooked rice because the cooked rice is kanin. Diyan is just there. Another, maliit ba ang lamesa? So, we have the word ang here as the or article in the sentence. Lamesa is a Spanish word which means table. Another, meron bang malamig na Coke sa ref? So, malamig na Coke phrase means cold Coke. So, we have here again the connector ng, and ref here means fridge or refrigerator. In the Philippines, we don't say refrigerator or fridge, we say ref. Another, meron bang dayuhan doon? So, when you say dayuhan here is foreigner, doon, okay, we don't have the silent letter, so we say doon. So, you say, meron bang dayuhan doon? Wala bang mainit na kape diyan? So, wala, none, nothing. Mainit na kape phrase means hot coffee. Diyan is just there, close. So, you know, Filipinos, when they go sometimes to the house of a neighbor or a friend, they will, especially in the morning, they will ask, oh, do you have some coffee? Or negative question, wala bang mainit na kape diyan? It means that they wanted to drink coffee in your house. Wala bang biyahe ngayon? So, wala here, no, none. Biyahe means flight or trip. Ngayon could be today or now. Ngayon. Wala bang yellow? Okay, is there no ice? Yellow is ice in the Philippines. Maganda ba ang Boracay? So, ang here because Boracay is a place. Okay, so we have the word ang Boracay. So, use ba here to convert statement into questions like do you have, is there? So, you use the word ba.